Feeling sluggish and bloated? Want to kickstart your day with a burst of energy and clarity? Stay tuned, because today, we're revealing the ultimate detox drink recipe that will transform your body and mind. Welcome back to Body Balance Blueprint. Today we're diving into a game changer for your daily routine, a detox drink that's not only delicious but packed with powerful nutrients to cleanse and rejuvenate your body. We all know the feeling: long days, late nights, and sometimes, not the best diet choices. Over time, our bodies accumulate toxins that can make us feel sluggish, bloated, and just off our game. But what if there was a simple, natural way to hit the reset button? Let me introduce you to our star ingredients. We'll be using fresh lemon juice for its detoxifying properties, ginger for its anti-inflammatory benefits, mint to soothe digestion, and cucumber for hydration. Together, they create a powerhouse drink. Start by slicing half a cucumber and a small piece of ginger. Add a handful of mint leaves, and juice 1 lemon. Combine all these ingredients in a large pitcher with filtered water. For an extra boost, you can add a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Mix it all together and let it sit for at least an hour in the fridge to infuse. And there you have it, the ultimate detox drink. Look at that vibrant color and refreshing aroma. This drink is not only hydrating but also helps to flush out toxins, improve digestion, and boost your energy levels. Let's give it a taste. Absolutely refreshing and invigorating. You can enjoy this detox drink any time of the day, but it's especially effective first thing in the morning. Incorporating this detox drink into your daily routine is a simple yet powerful way to support your body's natural cleansing processes. Remember, true health starts from within, and small changes can lead to significant results. If you enjoyed this recipe and want more tips on living a balanced, healthy lifestyle, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Body Balance Blueprint, and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Share your detox journey with us in the comments below, and let's create a healthier, happier community together. Cheers to your health.